Are you struggling to generate the clients? Today, I will show you how you can generate the unlimited clients using the help of AI without lifting a finger. No code, no tech, no ads required, all free of cost. I will show you how you can do that. I work with the multiple AI tools. I have helped business to automate their business to make more money to save their time. And today I will show you how you can generate the leads, the clients using the help of AI tool, right? So let's not delay and jump into this directly. So the tool name is OpenCall.ai, and this tool basically integrate with your social media and pitch the target, figure out the your ideal clients over there, right? And then catch those clients in a very good way, right? In a very like a human way, right? And then take those prospect, convert it to the clients, and then get you the sales. Okay, I will show you how you can do this complete setup step by step, laziest way possible ever. Okay, so let's see that. First, you have to log into the OpenCore.ai, right? You could do the Google login. Okay, after you do that, you already see over here I built the three different agents over here that can do the work for me, but right now I will show you it from scratch. So what you have to do, click on the new agent. Okay, so this AI tool basically OpenCore.ai connect with your social media tools, like either it's the Twitter, it's the Reddit, Rednote, or you have TikTok. So right now it supports four different tools out there, social media platform out there, and it helps you to generate the clients from the social media platform, right? And not just some random pitching and random thing it's doing. It's figure out the very actual people, the very right prospect that need the help of your service, your product right now, and then generate that prospect into the client using the help of this their process, right? I will show you how. Now, if you have the, you can definitely connect all of these tools, right? Because your audience can be in many different platforms. You don't know, right? So you can connect the Twitter as well. You can connect the Reddit, but I will show you for the Reddit first. Okay. So click on the Reddit, for example. Okay. Click on the next. Now you have to give it a name. Okay. So I will say, for example, I will call it Lead Master. All right. The next thing you have to do, you have to choose like what you want to promote. Is there a particular physical product you want to promote, or there's certain different kind of service or any special kind of offer that you are promoting, or you are doing a lead generation or any kind of thing that you want to promote right now. So based on that, if you are a physical product, then choose this one. If you have a digital service, digital offer, or any other kind of product or any other kind of service, choose customize. Okay, click on the next. After that, you have to define your product. Okay, what your product do, what your service are, right? What you do, who you help. Okay, so let it load first. And here I already created my entire list of the description over here, where I describing what my product is, who I help. Okay, so let's look at that. So I want to help online entrepreneurs, especially solopreneurs, course creators, freelancers, digital product sellers who are struggling to grow and manage their business effectively. My goal is to help them save time, make more money, grow faster, and run a smoother online business using the power of AI tools and automations. Okay, and then I tell it like how this AI tool should act, like how it should, what kind of reply it should make, right? So identify and connect with the pain and situation in the post. Example, hey, I totally agree with you, where you are coming from, or this used to frustrate me too. Like giving an example, offer a genuine helpful perspective, insight, or small tip. So I just gave it a little more description, like how it need to connect with that, with the person, with the right prospect. Okay, so here let's click on next again, and here you have to describe this. Okay, so if I zoom in, you can read it asking for, please enter the purpose and requirement for your reply to the post, and we will generate the response that meet your needs. Okay, so you have to give it a proper detailed description about your product, about your service, whatever you are selling, your offer, right? Whatever basically you wanted to get the output over here at this particular time. Second, who you help to, who is your target audience, what how you are helping them. Okay, you have to give a proper detailed description about that. So I copied my description over here and I will paste here. Okay. And now what you have to do, one more thing you can do, if you have a complete document, if you have more knowledge base about your business, about your service, about your offers, your target audience, you can upload that documents over here as well, right? Their file size is like 200K, so that is more than enough, right? Now what I will do, simply click on the next. Okay, the next thing that you have to do over here is choosing the keywords. Okay, basically it all automatically generate the sort of the keywords for you, so you don't need to worry. But if you have some specific keywords you wanted to target, you are feel free to do that. So here I'm not going to define any extra keywords because these ones are already pretty good. Entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, freelancers, course creators, business growth, automation, AI tools, digital products, course creation, marketing, time management, productivity. I think all of these are like kind of related to what I am, what my service is, what my offer is. Okay, click on next. Then it looks for two different things. Keywords are basically the keywords. Your understand this. Keywords are the specific keywords people use in their post, and topics are like are they are relating to certain topic. It's not necessary to be about that post. I mean, they don't need. So for example, if someone is talking about the time management, maybe they did not say the time management in their post directly, but the topic is all about the time management, so it can also be possible, right? They are talking about the like how their day is not productive enough, right? But they are talking about the time management thing, so in that way, the topic is different. But here, the keywords all kind of look same. So you can choose what topic you are trying to uh, achieve. So I will choose the same over here as well. If you have a different topic, you can go ahead with that. Now click on next. And now this time you have to choose. So here you have to focus more. Look at that. So it is asking for the reply frequency. Okay. So here there are two different things. First, it is automatically doing the 10 counts 24 hours. Okay. So 10 counts, it means it will do 10 different replies on the not just random post, but definite the post which is actually good enough and have your ideal prospect. So it will do 10 posts on the ideal prospect post, 10 comments on the ideal prospect post in 24 hours. But you have a limit, like you can go for 10 posts, 10 comments per hour. So you can choose like decrease that time, for example, 15 hours, 20 hours, or like that. Okay, so 10 comments per hour you can go, not more than that. Okay, that is a limit over here. Okay, for the 1 hour in mostly 10, not more than that. So don't go beyond that, because then the tools, the social media platforms will take you as an spam if you do that, and then it will block your account. So don't go beyond the limit it have. Okay, and it is recommended not to exceed 30 response per day. So for one tool, it's saying like don't go beyond 30 response. So what you can do here, if you wanted to like generate the more clients in a day, the simple thing is like create the multiple agents over here, right? Multiple agents, and each agents can like do the 30 response each day. In that way, like you have many different agents for many different social media platforms, and this just think how much you can do, right? It is already so amazing. Like you don't even have to do a single thing. AI will look for the prospect, AI will do the comment, and AI will bring you the clients, everything automatically, right? It is so good. Next thing, so mode of operation, how you want. Do you want it host on your system? Do you want the hosted on the platform? So I prefer to go with this one. Here you simply have to connect your Reddit profile once. So I already have it connected. So I just link on over that one. Okay, let it load. Sometimes it takes time to load. So just wait. Okay, it's saying no connected account. Wait, hosted. Okay, let's try again. Connect. Okay, click on allow. So make sure your Reddit account or whatever account is connected. So now it is connected over here. Click on create. Okay. So now your agent is created. You can see on the left hand side, your agent that you built to do your outreach is created. And this will bring you the clients or the leads automatically. Okay. Now what you can do simply, so it is already running now. Okay. So it is started running, and you can see publicly available profile information. It is retrieving that and is searching for the post right now. So what it do, the public post, it will look for that, and then if it found the right post, based on like it looks okay, this person is the right one and having the kind of the uh, need, or it can be the right potential prospect for you, potential client for you, then it do the comment on their post, and then also like very smartly do the promote your product or service. So right now it is loading over here and figuring out the post. Till the time I can show you my previous redditors. Okay, the previous agents, I called it redditor, fancy name, cool name, right? Let it load. So here you see this one. So for example, look at that. Someone do the post like saying looking for some automation advice. I need to find a way to automate my procedure for new leads and new clients. Connecting any of the following: Gmail, Google Drive, Capsule, CRM, MailerLite, blah blah blah. For example, new lead book calls get added to Capsule, tag removed for MailerLite, follow up added to calendar, etc. Where should I be looking? What should I avoid? So this is the real post from a real person who did on the Reddit. Okay. Now this AI tool find out that post, and because it contains the keywords, it also related to the same topic. Now what it's saying, hey there, I totally get your automation struggle. This is the reply from this tool. Okay, from this AI tool. So smart, right? And look, you will surprise the result. So hey there, I totally get your automation struggle. I have been in your shoes trying to streamline all those tools. From my experience, Zapier or Make could be your best bet for connecting these apps. They are super flexible and can handle complex workflows. One tip, start small and build up. Maybe automate the new lead process first, then expand. Watch out for over automating those. Sometimes a human touch is still needed. So you see, like the output is so real, it's looking like the human wrote that output, not a some AI tool. Okay. And then very smartly, it also promote the another thing, the service. So at my AI automation agency, we have helped business save thousands of hours with custom setup. If you want to chat about more specific solution for your workflow, feel free to reach out. So see, haven't put any link, but still like it is make it so good. If you wanted to put the link, you can do that as well. You have to give this AI tool your product or offer link. Now you see how smart this is. And when this do like 30 posts each day for one agent, just think about how much ideal prospect you are commenting on, and you can get the client so easily without doing anything, literally without doing anything, because this AI tool is doing everything for you. Finding the prospect, messaging them, getting the comment, and doing the sales. So now let's see if we got anything. So yeah, so far we okay. Let me also show you. So it search for the different posts. It match the profile details entrepreneurs. Then got the post 1, post 2, post 3, post 4, and blah 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 blah. And all of these posts, it did not show a lot of them are like good enough prospect for you. So after like all this, it figured out one of them is actually good, right? So here it is. So for the first, someone commented, for the first time entrepreneurs who started your company completely bootstrapped, tell the story how you started out. Why did you start your company? What first steps did you take? How much money you had make? How did you convince people? So hey there, I totally get where you're coming from. Okay, so here little thing. It is like the another person also doing a kind of comment, but still because when this post is made, when the comment is made on this one, it is I give it a little more description about how to post. I think we don't need that because in the previous one I haven't give any too much idea about how to comment, so it is doing much better automatically now. But the benefit about this post is like over here, when someone other person will read the comments, they will see over here, look at that. By the way, I recently put together a private membership where I share proven AI tools and automations that have helped thousands, hundred tons of online entrepreneurs save time and grow faster. Let me know if you like to check it out. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and blah blah blah. So this is all like if you wanted to generate the clients automatically, follow this. And I am like selling this AI membership where I teach much deeper about how you can save more time, how you can make more money as an online entrepreneur, how you can grow your business faster, right? How you can use basically AI tools in your business to save your time, make more money, and grow faster, right? So if you want this, if you want to learn, if you wanted to grow faster, you can join my membership. You will see all those things what you are going to get in that. Link is in the description. You can join that, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel because I'm going to upload lot of good content in the next videos, right? So see you. Goodbye.